Raven is behind this pyramid. He's going to do a stealth drone launch. There's one guide here who works here, I think, somewhere in the grounds. Don't see him right now. Raven is up there behind the walls of this pyramid, getting the drone ready for a stealth launch. I'm going to get up here if I can. Wow, this is steep. This is a little tricky. Little ninja skills here. Right here maybe. Wow, this is not that's easy. This is like a ninja climbing a medieval castle where the shoguns are to attack. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this, right between the two towers. Nice platform here. Beautiful view over the jungle. This is probably where the king, the royalty of this area, lived. This could be their palace or their temples. Maybe they did rituals here on this platform. Sacrificial platform. Oh, there's people here. Lots of tourists. I better radio Raven, because he was going to send the drone from this side. There's tons of people. There's people down there. Crazy people. There's fucking people down there. I'm gonna get down. I don't know if we're supposed to be flying this drone here. I think we should get out of here. I think we've been spotted. There's people all over, dude.
Don't come back here.
I think we should get out of here, maybe.
Come back here.
I was trying to tell you, you got to turn your walkie-talkie
I
on.
heard you.
So get that fucking thing back here. What are you doing?
Coming back.
I gotta get away from the drone. There's potentially, I don't know, $500 fines for using drones at these ruins. We were told we could do it from the perimeter, but we're not at the perimeter. All those tourists were looking at me. I don't want one of the security people to come over here and try to find us. I'm gonna get away from the drone. If anyone's gonna get busted, it's gonna be him. Just don't want him to confiscate our shit. Looking for security, don't see anyone. This looks like the main courtyard between all the pyramids. I think we can say that the Mayan Empire civilization is now part of the Shadow Empire. It has disappeared into history, reclaimed by time, collapsed, as all empires will collapse, all nations. This is their fate. But this will stand longer than most, longer than ours. These are over 1,000, 1,200 years old probably. Now claimed for the Shadow Empire. Now another reminder that this too shall pass. As great as it was in its day, now it's just piles of stone. Wow.
Death occurs to anyone who enters this room.